Okay, so update on the ZXR. It's finished. Um, Huge problem with the carbs, but eventually got it sorted on the replacement set that I got. But there was problems with those, and it's taken some time. In addition, 99.9% of all the issues have now been fixed. There's one or two little jobs still to go. She's looking great. She sounds great. I'll give her a start at the end of this video so you can hear it. Just have a look. Okay, so that's her. So good. A couple of little, one or two fasteners that I need to modify. At the moment, I don't know why, because I was stupid. I got new indicators at the front, but somehow, this must be just an age thing, somehow I forgot to replace the ones at the back. They work, but they look a bit grubby, so I shall do that over the next couple of days. And the big one is this, which is the coolant tank. It's from a J, it's not from an H. It's a completely wrong shape. There's nowhere to put it, it's just jammed in there. Obviously I'm not going to carry on with that. The unfortunate thing is that when you go online, they're so rare. And there was one for sale yesterday on eBay for €250 for a coolant over expansion tank. Yeah, I don't think so. So what I've had a look on some of the ZXR forums, and what people have done is replace them, because this shortage of them is a known thing. They've replaced them with smaller ones off different bikes. So I have one from a Kawasaki 400, something called a Dominar, which is quite a common bike here in the Philippines. And it looks much smaller and slimmer. And hopefully that should arrive within the week. I can get rid of the one from the J and then have this one, which is black, which is quite nice. So I'll see how that goes. The only other outstanding problem is when I was riding it around the subdivision, the back brake is not operating. Now, I bled the back brake a couple of months ago, and I got pressure and it was working fine. Now there's no pressure in there at all, and I can't bleed the system. And I'm thinking the actuator on the pedal, I'm thinking the seal's maybe gone in it because it's not applying pressure to the pad. The front are fine, the back, I'll have a look at it, perhaps take the actuator off and have a look. Or maybe just get a second-hand actuator. Or I don't even know if they make them new. I'll have a look online later. Other than that, it's pretty cool. It looks sexy. Really does. Unlike its owner, but it does look the biz. The only thing a couple of people have mentioned why I haven't sprayed the frame. Okay. For a couple of reasons. One, I just wanted to get it up and running and do the frame anytime. But secondly, I'm not sure whether to polish the frame or to paint it. I don't know. Haven't decided. So at the moment, I'm just going to leave it as it is. That's the most important thing, is to get the thing going and running. So, pretty good, guys. Oh, let me start with the noise is phenomenal. Sounds wonderful. Sounds the biz. So I'm also getting it registered because it hasn't been registered for a couple of years. It's been off the road, and you know, I've had it 6 months now, and it's been off the road. So I need to get the paperwork done end of this week, beginning of next week, and then I can ride it. And I'm looking forward to it a lot. Okay, guys, ciao.